How do YouTube, I am you. This is a short video on my Tier 2 EDC, which in itself comes in two parts. Day to day, if I'm wearing a jacket, this is what I carry in every coat pocket. I always have a lighter of some description. This is a cheap Chinese clone of the Olight torch. It turns on, it turns off, it does a good battery life. And I usually carry a spare battery of some description. And then when I'm going out, I'll stick the power bank in my coat pocket or my jacket and I'm good to go. The second part of my Tier 2 EDC is this pouch. If I'm going out and I'm carrying a bag, I'll chuck this in, depending which bag it is, and we'll go through the contents now. There's a little zip pocket at the front in which I carry 3 AAA batteries. These fit the clone torches as well as my Olight EDC torch. In this pocket we have a torch, a lighter, a power bank that is fully charged. I can't remember the last time I used this and it's still holding its charge. And a 3-way adapter cable. In the main pocket, there's the collapsible plug for wall charging and a set of headphones, and that's that. On the back I do have a safety pin. There was another one but it got used for something. I've yet to replace it, but this goes in whatever bag I'm carrying. It's just an act of redundancy. Thanks for watching.